So here, again, very similar to the home area at the top, where we can just insert a prompt. And you can see here, we do have some sample prompts available to make things easy. But I'll just go ahead and copy and paste one that I have ready. So in this case, we're going to do a training feedback campaign. Company wants feedback on the new training program for 3 departments: sales, engineering, customer support. And I'm asking for it to tailor specific questions for each department in order to help demonstrate how we can use advanced branching logic to show the specific relevant questions to the specific group. There we go. So we are given the option of being able to preview this before deciding to move forward. All right, looks pretty good. Let's continue. All right, so now we have this training program feedback survey here. What I will do in order to kind of help clean this up a little bit, there's a few things that we should be doing. First is likely moving these a little bit to a new page. So you can see here, everything is on one page. We did discuss how ideally you're putting page breaks after every 5 questions. So that's something that we should make an adjustment to. So I'll throw in a page break here by selecting this Add Content option. And you can see page break. Fantastic. So now they actually have to select Next to be able to move forward into the survey here. One of the other things that we've called out in terms of survey best practices is to give them an out or, by incorporating, say, like an other option with, say, the checkbox question. So in order to do that, we would select Edit. And we could say Other, display as answered choice. And we can also select none of the above. And save. All right, so one other thing that we would want to enforce would be the questions and that they should all be required. So we can quickly do this by going to More Actions and Require Questions. There we go. All right, so we have a 5-star question type here. And let's go ahead and add a question, which would be asking why they gave us this rating that they did. So as I'm typing, we can see here it's automatically detecting that I'm looking for a comment box. And we're also getting some suggested options for this as well. So why did you give that rating? It's already there. Let's select that. And we can drag and drop this right after that star question. And again, we can go to the next page here, More Actions and Require Questions. And we can see here, we have specific questions for the sales, engineering, and customer support segments that we've asked for.